Welcome to today's video on full body mobility and deep release. Actually, there is another element here, which is core strength, because we can't really have full body mobility without strength, and strength will help us to release better as well. So to start, have your legs as straight as possible and alternately bend one leg after another while shifting your body forward. Here we are lengthening out the hamstring without doing a passive stretch here. The ongoing bending the leg and straightening will help to lengthen out and release at the same time. So that was a little warm-up. Now come to lying down, have one leg up and flex it to bring it down. Point, bend, bring it up, flex, straighten and bring it down. Point, bend your knee, flex, straighten and bring it down. Keep your belly in and your pelvis still while you're doing this movement. We want core and pelvic stability here so that the leg is free to move. So as mentioned, we need strength for mobility. And the strength here is the core strength that helps to stabilize the pelvis. Therefore, the leg can lengthen out and move freely. Point your toes, bring one leg up and flex it, bring it down. Now we have increased the challenge a bit. We are no longer bending the knee to bring the leg up. We are keeping the leg straight to bring it up and down. Repeat on the other side. Making sure your pelvis stays stable. So both sides of the pelvis, keep it as even as possible. Keep your hands there at the two bony bits of your pelvis like I'm doing now if you can. That will be a good gauge. Bring one leg up and pull it as close to you as possible. Let it gradually move towards you. You don't have to try to push it so much right away. Just hold the back of your thighs here and gradually bring it closer in each time you bring the leg in. Point the toes if you can, because that will help lengthen out the anterior part of the leg. Be sure to bend the elbows as you bring the leg in. Now try to bring it even closer to you as if your knee is going to touch your nose. Curled up and try to reach it. Curl your abdominal in here, bring the leg in, feel that gentle stretch behind your leg, especially behind your knee. Now bring the leg up, slowly circle outward. Bring it across. Circle outward, bringing it across. The pelvis doesn't move that much. Core strength is holding the pelvis and the stable leg here while the other leg moves freely. Spread your arms wide here, open up your fingers, press your palms down. We're going for a bigger range now. Bring the leg across, looking the opposite. Open the leg to open to a bigger circle. Bring it across again. And then opening to the same side of the leg here, so that you're in one big circle. You are using your leg to draw one big circle. Imagine your big toe is the brush. One big circle above you. To the other side, bring it across, open up to a circle of the same side of the leg here, and repeat. Come to kneeling. If you need to, roll up the mat so that you have extra padding for your knees here. Have your legs as closed in together as possible. Interlace your fingers, roll your shoulders back, looking diagonally up, straighten your elbows. Bend your elbows and straighten it even more. Look down a little bit as you bend the elbows, and look diagonally up as you straighten your elbows, opening the chest diagonally forward. We need a lot of core strength here because we need to keep the pelvis stable and protect the lower back so that we're free to extend the shoulders back and open the chest to the front. The core strength also works with the legs to keep the structure and the body stable on this kneeling position. Bend your elbows more. Lengthen out your arms more, straighten your elbows more, looking diagonally up more. Now bend more, curl your spine and your pelvis a little bit. Reach your arms back, open your shoulders and your chest to the front. Again, bending, looking down, and opening to the front. Curling, bending, straightening, opening up, diagonal forward. Curl your toes under. That will give you support as you curl down even more and arched up even more. Curl down, feel like you want to reach to the floor, and arching, opening up the shoulders and the chest more. Do this slowly, consciously. We want to feel our pelvis and spine participating in this movement as well. And also make sure your arms are as straight as they can be. Tuck your toes under again. Have your hands here at the top of the pelvis, brushing the tissues down as if you are guiding your pelvis to slide downwards here, and then you look up and extend your spine back. This is a very gentle and small range movement. We don't want to do a deep back bend. We just want to open up the chest here and open up the hips as we nudge the pelvis forward. Come to stacking your legs together, knee to knee, ankle to ankle, heel to heel, and just gently rotate it from side to side. This is quite an advanced movement. Bring the legs in and make it straight as you bring it out, arching your spine at the same time. Inhale, arch your spine, bring the legs out in straight extended position. Reverse, straighten the legs out, arch your spine and bend to bring it in your curl spine. Legs straight out, arching. Bend the knees, bring it in curl spine. Have your palms turn out, fingers out here, bending the elbows. Scoop the belly in, bring the legs up in frog position. Externally rotate your hips here. Straighten your legs up to the front and bring it in. Now keep the knees and the toes at the same height. We don't want the legs to bob up and down. Use your core strength to hold the legs in one place. If you find this a bit challenging to do, you can put both legs on the floor and just feel yourself gliding the legs in and out on the mat. Take a breather and we continue with more core work. Yes, repeat and bend the knees, straighten. Now, you're going to keep the straight legs, open up and in, then bend the knees to come in again. Open up, bring it in, bend the knees to come in. Open up, bring it in, bend the knees to come in. We don't do too much of it because some of you might be doing it from the neck or shoulders. You might feel strained there. But this is very good core work here. Repeat. Open up, bring it in, bend the knees in. Open up, bring it in, bend the knees in. Keep the core scooped in as much as you can here. And you can stop here after about 4 counts. So cross one leg over and bring it to one side as your head look in the opposite direction. We are doing the spine and leg series now. The legs will move the spine together with the pelvis. This is especially releasing for the lumbar region. Do it slowly now. Cross over, bring to one side, and just let yourself rest there. Feel your lumbar spine rotating, releasing, and go again. Keeping both arms nicely pressed down on the floor. Again, looking to the opposite side of the legs position. Wringing the tightness out of your spine. Change across and look to the opposite direction than just now. Bring both legs to one side. Have your arms to come in, stacking both arms and legs together. Opening and closing in. Imagine yourself like a book. So this is a variation to the Pilates book opening. This is a lot more lengthening and dynamic. Try to see if both your legs and your arms can go together. Like a windshield, like a book, or like a Chinese fan. This is really nice for the spine and the hamstrings. Allow your neck and the head to go along. Make sure you're not holding it. And with that, I'm going to finish this video here. Slowly use your core to come up. If you like this video, do like and subscribe. I do a lot of mobility videos. Check out my playlist. Keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. I'll see you again very soon in the next video. Take care. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years. And I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.